All right, here is our standard room at Great Wolf Lodge. It's 2 queens and a pull-out couch. You come in the door, and here to the right is a little like bench. You can put shoes down there, and then this is like the closet with extra blankets and pillows. And then the sink is actually out here for the bathroom with the hair dryer, and I got kids hanging up their coats tissues. And then right across over here is the bathroom with the toilet and the shower. There's plenty of towels. And the light switch is actually over here, which is kind of strange, but it's a very small bathroom. So coming out of the bathroom, we have the 2 queen beds. This has all been recently renovated. So they have new headboards and lights and blankets and new artwork, which is pretty cool looking.
New artwork. I didn't see
So,
that before.
Yeah, and then there's a little stand over here, nightstand. Let's take a look at the nightstand. It has little notes and a phone. Oh, look at this. It's a little charging area where you can have USB chargers. That's really nice.
Mama, look. Over here.
And what is this? Oh, look, there's even more charging down here. Can you see this? On the front of the
Here?
nightstand. That's nice. But there
Charge.
appears to be no storage in this. It's just like a table. So
Over here.
then there's a half wall.
Over here is storage.
And oh wait, we forgot this. So the sink for the bathroom is there with a mirror, and then there's another mirror here with like a little kitchenette area. So there's a fridge, trash can, microwave, coffee maker, ice bucket, mirror. There's have little stuff here that you can make your own coffee and drinks. And then here's a dresser with the TV, which my kids are all standing directly in front of. And then there's a table with some chairs.
Over here we can take our phones.
There's the big window. And then here is some artwork. This is a pull-out couch. Makes a queen-size couch. And then there's this trunk thing. I don't think it opens, so there's no storage in there.
Because it's a footrest.
It's just a footrest, I guess. A light.
Over here.
And here's the air conditioner, which
I don't think it's working.
it's not on right now because it's very cold outside. And then the outdoor area has 2 chairs and a table, and then we have a view of a fence, which isn't great, but there really aren't great views here. Anyway, so doesn't really matter, does it? No. So let's look back this way at the room. Oh yeah, they have this cute little light up here. It's all been redone. Looks very like clean and modern, but still has that like lodge feel, which is kind of nice.
I feel like that's cool.
So, oh, and then there's a safe over there in the wall. Let's take a look at this safe, see how big it is. It's pretty small, standard size safe, but it's not bad. And that is our room here at Great Wolf Lodge. It's just the standard room.
Mama!
Hi.
Mama!
Hi, baby. And that's it.